Welcome back friends. Before going to the video, if you are seeing our channel for the first time, please do subscribe, like, comment and share. Today we are going to make grilled chicken. For that, soak a chicken with skin in lemon salt water for 2 hours. In a bowl, add half spoon of turmeric powder, 2 spoons of chili powder, 1 spoon of fennel powder, half spoon of pepper powder, required amount of salt and squeeze a lemon. Mix the masalas well. Now cut the chicken in some places like this. And combine with the masalas well. Keep aside for 3 to 4 hours. Now we are going to grill the chicken in charcoal. Now let's fire up the charcoal. Now this is the equipment in which we are going to grill the chicken. Now let's insert the chicken in the stick. Now we have fixed the stick above the charcoal and we are just rotating with the hand. We didn't buy this equipment from anywhere. We asked a welding shop to make for us. You have to rotate slowly like this till the chicken cooks well. Now our chicken is cooked really well. Now we can serve it. Now our yummy and tasty shawwaya or grilled chicken is ready. All must try this at home. Thank you for watching.